Good day guys, I'm Hassan and welcome to CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video I will tell you about some of the tools which are available on the layer panel. And if you go to layer panel, you find we have some tools and you can use these tools to make easier and faster your work. So let's start with the first tool, and that is turn off option. With this tool you can select any layer which you want to turn off, and if I select any object or any particular layer like this and press enter, you see all the objects on this layer will hidden or invisible. And if you want to bring it back, then just click on turn on layers. In this way all the layers which are recently invisible now shown and visible. So in this way we use this tool. Now if you want to isolate some of the layers selectively, then you can select the second tool, isolate. With this tool all the objects except your selected layer will invisible or hidden. Like this, if I select the text and press enter, you can see rest of the layers will invisible or hidden, and only the objects on the layer text will visible. And now if you want to bring it back, then just click on unisolate option. So in this way we use the isolate and unisolate option. If I select this layer and press enter, you can see rest of the layer will invisible. To bring it back, just click on unisolate option. Now we see the third option, which is freeze tool, and with this tool you can freeze any layer selectively. So select it and click on layer like this, and all the objects on that layers will hidden or invisible. And if you want to bring it back, then just click on thaw all layers and all the layers will visible. And we have the lock tool here. We select it and select the layer you want to lock, just click it. And with this tool we prevent layer from accidentally modified, and we can also fade the display of locked layer to highlight that layer is locked. Like this, the display of this text is faded and locked. And to bring it back, just click on unlock option and select the layer, and you will see the layer is unlocked. Now here we have the make current tool, and with this tool you can make any of these layer current directly by selecting the object. For example, if you have long list of layers like this, then it's difficult to select or find the layer in this layer drop down. And if we want to active any particular layer by selecting the object, then we use this tool. And for that we select make current and select the object like this, and you can see our current layer is wall layer. If I select it again and click on text, now you can see our current layer is text. And now if I draw any text, it directly pick the properties of current layer like this. So in this way we use the make current layer. And now we have the last option, and that is match layer. And with this tool you can match the properties of objects to the destination layer. For example, we have this text and I want to apply the properties of the other layer on this text layer. Then select this tool, select the text, press enter. Now select the destination layer, click it. So you can see the properties of the destination layer will apply it on the text layer. So in this way we use this tool. So guys, this is the video about advanced tools of layers. And guys, if you have any question related to this topic, then please leave a comment, or you can contact me on WhatsApp also. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.